Have you ever wanted to turn your ordinary bathtub into a luxurious spa experience? Well, now you can with the dual jet bath spa Conair. This amazing device hangs over the side of your tub, transforming it into your very own personal jet spa. With dual adjustable nozzles, you can direct the water flow to target those hard-working muscles that are in need of some relaxation. And if you're in the mood for some extra pampering, just flip the switch for a burst of bubbles to enhance your spa experience. The spa easily holds into place with suction cups, so you can sit back, relax, and let the soothing jets melt away your stress. With the simple on or off switch, you can easily control the intensity of your spa experience. Treat yourself to a spa day right in the comfort of your own home with the dual jet bath spa Conair.